Hey guys, Rich Bassini here, YouTube vlogger and creator. Today I want to talk about small YouTubers should get a play button. Now I'm being upfront, honest, and serious with you guys. Now, for a lot of us who've been on YouTube for quite some time, I think that when you meet certain thresholds, which I did, and I'm sure a lot of you out there have done, that you should get rewarded by receiving a play button, okay? One that just says, you know, congratulations, you hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, blah, 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 and you've got YouTube name on there, whatever. Listen, YouTube does it for 100,000 subscribers, and they do it for 1 million subscribers. Why not for 1,000 subscribers? That is a big achievement, just as much as it is for those hitting that, that have to hit the 100,000 subscriber mark or the 1 million subscriber mark. Most of us may never see it. Well, I can't speak for you guys, but I may never see that in my lifetime. I don't know, because I am an older person. Who knows how long it's going to take? I'll give you an example. And the reason why you're probably saying, why would you say that? For the simple reason is I started this YouTube channel back in 2013. Okay? 2013 I started this YouTube channel. Now, with that said, this channel did not get monetized until I think it was August 21st, 2021, something like that there. It took that many years to hit 1,000 subscribers. Okay? Because when YouTube implemented that threshold in order to get your channel monetized, where you can make some quote money, you had to have 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers in order to become monetized. Now I think, and if YouTube watches this video, maybe you could talk it to your corporate people or whatever, I think small-time YouTube creators such as myself should get rewarded with the play button. Now I know play buttons, they come in all different sizes. Like I think the silver one is yay big, and then when you hit the 1 million subscriber one, it's yay big, it's bigger. Whatever you want to do, I mean, that's totally up to you guys, but I think we should get rewarded with the play button, okay? Especially all of us who are small YouTube creators that hit that threshold mark and met those requirements. I think we should be rewarded for it. I really do. But I don't think that's going to happen. So therefore, I'm going to reward myself. People say, well, how are you going to do that? Well, I was on eBay and I was looking up YouTube merchandise, right? And I came across one, when I was doing my research, I came across one, it was Etsy. So, I mean, Etsy, I think, had a little more than eBay. And I'm going to take you to that site, and I'm going to show you the things that you can buy on your own. Okay? I know it sounds crazy to say, well, why should we have to buy it? Why, because I'll be honest with you, folks, this video that I'm putting out, I don't know if YouTube watches every video that people put out or scan them. I don't know how it's done, but I doubt very much they're going to, this video is going to have any effect on it as to whether they're going to, in the near future, maybe not now, but maybe in the near future, they'll reward people, small YouTube creators that hit that 1,000 subscriber mark with a play button. I don't know if that's going to happen. So anyway, without waiting for that to happen, which I don't think is going to happen, I came across this site. Let me move it down here. Let me minimize my screen here. And it's from Etsy. And as you can see here, they have a lot of nice things out there for for people such as myself. I'm calling it self-promoting. Really. But if YouTube is watching this video, let me just move myself a little over here. If YouTube is watching this video, it would be nice to reward us guys like that. Now some people say, well, you're making a big thing of this. Well, handle it this way, folks. When I worked in the corporate office, they had marital increase awards, certificate awards for something like that, employee of the year, this, that, and the other thing. Now you might say, what's so great about that? I don't know, it does something to you. I don't know, it just makes you feel good about what you did, the work you achieved and stuff like that. Look, this took a long time for me to get 1,000 subscribers. Now some people say, well, if your videos ain't that good or whatever, and it takes you a long time to hit that 100,000 subscriber mark, then you just got to wait like everybody else. No, I understand that. I understand that wholeheartedly. But the thing I'm trying to say is, it took, look how many years it took me just to get 1,000 subscribers. It wasn't easy, because as they were coming, they were also going, right? So I figured, you know what? Heck with it. I'll reward myself. Now, some of this stuff is inexpensive to some point. You know, I mean, there are things that are a little over $100. Some, you know, maybe some could be a little more. But let's just scroll down here. If you go to Etsy, you type in YouTube Award, you're going to see all these things. Now, I don't want to take too much time. I just want to show you some things that you could do for yourself if you want to promote yourself. Or reward yourself, I should say. Here, like, they got to see a changing color subscribe sign. Okay? Now, this here is $80. You get free shipping with it. Oh, and by the way, I just want to throw a little disclaimer out there. I don't know. I have nothing to do with any of these sellers out there. Okay, I'm just putting it out there for you guys. You can do what you want. I have nothing to do with them. I'm not promoting them. Well, it is kind of. I'm giving a shout out, but I don't know any of these people here. I'm just showing you. I'm just putting it out there to show you what you can get for yourself. Some of the things are nice, you know. Here's one over here, like that's like $126, personalized, custom-made YouTube subscriber thing here. You hang it up on your wall or whatever. You put it in your office or I don't know, whatever. You do whatever you want with it. This one is on 26. This is for 10,000 subscribers. Now I know what the questions could be next. Some of you out there may say, "Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so now you're going to want YouTube to we're going to want to record you, or reward you when you hit 20,000 subscribers or 30. No, I'm not asking for that. I'm just saying when you meet the threshold, that guideline or threshold is made by YouTube, not by me. When you hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, they give you a plaque or a play button. Okay, I'm not saying every time you hit a certain level, like it's 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. No, I'm not saying for that. Okay, I'm not. You hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, right? You get a play button, and then you work your way towards the 100,000 subscriber mark and the 1 million subscribers. Well, I'm just saying something very simple. That's all I'm saying. Just reward a YouTube guy who met the threshold. Give him a little plaque like this. But let's look at the other stuff they got here. Some of the nice. This is nice here too. YouTube create play button. This is $50. I guess they put your name in it there. I'm not going to click them on because you can do it at your own leisure. But they have different ones like this. I think they have them ones for Instagram and TikTok as well. But look at the ones over here. Look at this one over here. This is 160. It's a YouTube play button subscriber counter. It's Wi-Fi, so I guess every time you get a subscriber, the number jumps up. It's like that Lemetrics clock. You ever see vidIQ? If you ever watch vidIQ, look in the back there. Rob talks about Rob Wilson. He's the guy that's, I guess, the host of it, whatever, or creator, whatever. But he's just a guy that gives good advice. Let's put it that way. And if you look back there, you'll see I think they call it a Lemetric clock. And that thing is kind of pricey. I did price that out. I'm not going to buy it, but I'm just saying, I don't know if it's around the same ballpark price or whatever, but this is almost similar to that there. Again, you can see it's $160 a year free shipping, and I guess it's Wi-Fi, so I guess it's in tune that every time you hit the subscriber button, you'll see that number jump up, which is pretty nice too. Am I going to buy it? No, I don't want to spend that kind of money. But here's some other stuff here. YouTube light display. Now, for you guys out there have offices, or let's say you have a spare room that you make like your video room where you do all your videos, you might want to put some stuff like that out there in the background, whatever. I like this thing here too. This is nice. The subscribe button. Okay. Again, I'm working with the green screen, so I can only put so much behind me. Like I don't have it. I have my desk, but it's faced the opposite direction, stuff like that. So for me, it had to be a lot of rearranging around here. But for people who have like that, this setup where you got the camera behind you, you got maybe a table behind you, you could put stuff like that on there. All right, they got one for TikTok as well. This one here is what do you call it? Twitch. They got one for Twitch. Let's see what else they got here really quick here. And then you got the YouTube play button, right? This is $25. It's nice. Usually they come acrylic or glass. I think the real ones come with glass, and you could have something like that there if you wanted, just as a goof, whatever. Certain things I would say, yes and no, yay and nay to it. These two look pretty cool here. Okay, for $19. I think this is here. I think they have it where if you hit over 1,000 subscribers, well, you pretty much would tell them. Here's one for TikTok. This is a nice one here to hang up in your, like I said, if you have an office, you can put something like this in here. Blogger, YouTube subscribers, gold or silver play button. This is $28, right? This is nice to put on. It's a card, personalized YouTube business social. I think it's a social card thing here. Let me see here. Oh, keeps bouncing up. Promotion advertising. Okay, it's an advertising sign. So that's nice too, right? Let's see what else I got here. Then you got more play buttons here. This one here is for passing 100,000. Again, you're rewarding yourself. Here's one over here, a PewDiePie sign, right? Personalized YouTube letter. I guess they put his thing on his name there. I guess you could have it either way. You could do your own, of course, unless you're gonna buy it there. This here I just ordered recently. I got that. I didn't know about this one here. I ordered this for my hat. So I have over here YouTube. Well, I ordered from Etsy, and I got this one here. This emblem here. It's an iron-on. I ordered that not from Etsy. I should have got it from here because it was a little cheap. I ordered from eBay, and it's the same thing. Watch me on YouTube. I'm going to try to put it on the back of this hat here. So if I do wear it in the store, if I'm out there, people say, "Hey, watch on YouTube. What's your YouTube channel?" Yeah, I don't know. It's like kind of like, I don't know, might spark curiosity. People might say, "Oh, you got a YouTube channel?" Anyway, I'm getting that there. Then they have another one here, personalized embroidery here. You can put YouTube on. If you click it on there, it'll just say YouTube on there, whatever. Again, a play button. Here they have one over here. Another one. It's for TikTok. If you hit 500,000, whatever. Yeah. Then they got all these type of signs. See these little neons, I think here. Your game take light, whatever. Let's see what else they got here. Yeah. They have quite a bit here. Here's another one here, your text message here. Remember that color changing one? They have this. They have this neon light here, custom sign, right? That's for, I think, for Twitch. And you could be going through a lot of it because, folks, they got a lot of, pages to page through. I'm not going to go through all of them, but here's something you could put on there. If you have a family and you're doing a live stream, you could put this on your door there. Like, in other words, don't disturb me type of thing. I'm live streaming, Then they got over here a little things you could put on the stream, a door sign, whatever. They're doing a live, This is pretty cool, this one here. And it's pretty, it's somewhat pretty inexpensive. I mean, $25 for this here. But again, if you have an office where you have like a table in the back there or a desk behind you, you could put stuff like this here in your office. Yeah, I don't know if you ever watch some of these YouTubers, if you say they got their studios set up, their home studios set up to do videos, they have things like this here. I was thinking of getting a YouTube, one of these here, YouTube cup. I won't mind to say YouTube on it, but you could also put in your name, your channel name, and then when you're doing, like, I always keep a cup of water with me here, like I'm going to do now. By the way, it's not a YouTube cup, but I'm thinking of getting one. I mean, $16, not too bad. All right, and then you got the YouTube blanket over here. Again, if you got a studio that has that stuff, then you could put that there. I get a lot of these ideas from watching other YouTube creators out there, like as far as how they decorate their places and stuff, Some of the stuff, like I said, it's not too bad here. If you're really YouTube gung-ho, you can get these little keychains here, personalized keychains. Here, like this here, like a YouTube couple, one of these things. I'd probably get one of these here. $20. Yeah, let's see. Here, over here is a sticker. You could put this on. It looks like you could put it on your, I guess what do you call it, YouTube? I guess you could put it on your back of your, what do you call it, laptop or whatever. I don't know how small they are. You could probably put it on that there. It depends, $4.99. They had a bunch of different stuff here. And you see over here on the bottom here, my mouse cursor is, they got a lot of pages to page through. All right. But each one's a little different, Here's media theme park bundle, whatever. Okay, media thing. Okay, we got that. Then you got the thumbs up thing. Here's your username. You can put that again in the background if you have a, depending how your camera is facing you, whatever, in the back of you, front of you. Here's this here, YouTube certified master. What does it say? Automobile technology. All right, well, that's automobile. I'm sure you can get a different thing here. You got that for $40. Okay. 30-page YouTube marketing plan. Well, that's a guide, whatever. Here's a play button here. Here's a personalized thing here you could have for your photo. Your YouTube channel and your shirt. Not bad. Not bad. I'm seeing shirts on eBay, seeing them going for a lot more than that. Let's see what else they got here. This is a nice little thing here. I think you could change it too for $28. I think you could change it live. Yeah, that looks pretty interesting. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. This one right here. Let's see. Here, if you want to have a YouTube cupcake toppers, okay. All right, for the YouTube fans, like, I love YouTube. I do. I love YouTube. This is another nice sign right here. Right here. Okay. And like I said again, folks, I'm not promoting Etsy or anything like that. I'm just trying to show you, what you could do here. Here's a YouTube birthday card. It's pretty cool. What else they got here? Let's see. Some of the stuff is like mixed. Some of this stuff is mixed. As you can see, this looks like one of those YouTube, a light hood, whatever. $2.54. I don't know what that is. You have to read more into that there. Let's see. Let's click on which one. 4 I'm not going to go too much. You guys could, like I said again, you could check it out at your own. The YouTube pillow, now I've seen a couple of YouTube creators with that there. What had the pillows on the couches, like this here. Like if you have if you have a home studio and you have stuff like this here, you could put this sign here. It's $14 and change. I don't have many, how big it actually is. Some I think you can get certain sizes with it, but this would be pretty cool if you were doing a YouTube vlog or whatever, or you're just talking like I'm doing. You could have something like that, as a background, and have that right displayed in the back of you. That's nice too. It gives you an idea. Again, I'm just throwing this stuff out there, folks. But now people are talking about, you're probably wondering, well, okay, you're showing this stuff here. Are you gonna eventually get into this here? Well, I think I'm looking into it. I would like to. Here's a nice hat for $25. I was looking at this. Is this the one he was looking at? Let me see. I'm going to click one on here. No, they had ones like this here, which are nice. I guess you could put here any number of subscribers, whatever you want. You can get the gold and silver. This is $19. It says low in stock, whatever. Now, again, the only thing I remember reading something that people were not complaining, but they were saying on one of the things. I don't know which one it was. Let me go back over here. I don't know if it was that little crystal thing. They said it was really small, or one of the play buttons was small. I think it was 4x4, and I think they had another one that was 6x6. You got to look at it. You got to ask questions, because, folks, they had some, I think, really small, like yay big. You'd have to look. But I'm thinking of getting one for myself, hanging up on a wall and stuff like that. If I do, I will let you guys know. Right now, I'm just looking at it right now. You can put this in the back of your car, it looks like. Yeah. I don't know if I'd want to put a sticker like that in my car. Although I have seen some people that have their websites, they have banners made up of their website. Check me out at www.abc.com, whatever. They do things like that there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Let's see what else they got here. TikTok. You can also do it for TikTok. If you do that there. I think they even have some for Instagram as well. Let's go here. Let's see. Keep telling you guys I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but let's see what else I got here. Music awards. I got for music awards. Okay. Yeah. I thought I seen somebody had YouTube plates. What do you call it? Their play buttons that said for 1,000 or more. If you have 1,000 subscribers. I can't seem to find that one. So over here, YouTube 1,000 subscribers, but that's something else, I think. Let me see here. Let's go with this one here. If I could find it. I was looking at it last night. I said, look at that, all the different pillows they got here. Cushion cover. Oh, cushion covers, whatever. So that there, subscribe, YouTube. Yeah. That's that clock there again, $106. Oh, this is a different one. This is a different one here. Look at this one, folks. The only thing was $160. This is, yeah, it's $106. This is a little different. It's got the play. I like this one. Again, it might be a little much for people, Nice little shirt. Blanket. Is a YouTube blanket for you guys out there. I don't know what I say, certified YouTube mechanic. I don't know anymore, but whatever. Buy YouTube views. I don't know about that part. Yeah, but they have a whole bunch of different things here. Oh, what was the other one I had there? Yeah, the merchandise, custom stuff. Yeah, it was one of these things here. I know that there, but yeah, just check it out if you get a chance. And let me bump out of here really quick. Well, that's all I have for you, folks. If you guys like this video or any of my videos, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated as to when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. My name is Rich Bassini. And as I always say in my videos, if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel or you have an established YouTube channel, I'm wishing you guys all the best and success. Keep out posting those new videos. Keep it real, keep it original, and let your channel grow organically. Until next time, bye-bye for now.